Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to review or view Ledger report here in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, gotta log into your Zoho Books account, and once done, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Reports. Okay, click on it. Now, once it loads in this panel, just gotta find Accountant. Click on Accountant, or you can go ahead and scroll down right here until you're under the Accountants tab. Okay, right here. And as you can see, we have a general ledger. So just click on it, and here we have the partial report. So what you'll do, if you want to, you could go ahead and customize the report right here. Add in some columns, okay, like the account description. Just click on a plus sign to move it right here. Move. You can go ahead and add them all if you want to. Now, once that's done, just hit on apply. There you go. Select the date range. For example, this year, report basis could be accrual or cash, like so. Add in some more filters if you want to. And then once that's done, just click on Run Report right here. And here you have your Ledger report. Okay, you got to scroll down and review it. And after that, if you want to, you can go ahead and share it or export it from here as a PDF, XLS, XLSX, or CSV, or even to a Zoho sheet. Okay, that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.